Read this fast. The dog chased the cat because it was scared. Quick, who was scared? You knew it was the cat. You barely had to think. But how did you know? You leaned on the other words. The AI you use does the same trick. The part that pulls it off has a name, the transformer. It's the engine inside nearly every AI tool you touch. And once you see how it reads, a lot clicks. Why more context helps, why longer prompts cost more. Forget the tech for a second. Picture a big table with a group of people sitting around it. You hand them one sentence to work out together. Nobody reads it word by word. Everyone reads the whole thing at once. Now give each person one word to hold. One holds dog, one holds cat, one holds it. Look at the word it. On its own, it means nothing. It's empty until it finds what it points to. So it glances around the table and locks onto cat. Now it knows. It is the cat. Every word does this at the same time. Each one turns to the words that matter to it. That turning has a name, attention. One full round of everyone turning to what matters, that's one layer. But they don't stop at one round. They go again and again. Each pass, the words understand a bit more. The first rounds catch the easy stuff, like who it is. The deeper rounds catch the hard stuff, who did what, and the mood behind it. Stack enough of these rounds and a pile of plain words turns into real meaning. That stack is the depth. More rounds means more depth, and more depth is a big part of why a big model feels smarter than a small one. Now here's where our table and the real machine split apart. Real people could argue all night until they're sure. The machine can't. It gets a fixed number of rounds set before it ever starts. So it can't think harder on one tricky sentence. It runs the same number of rounds every time, easy or hard. Say you paste a long email and ask, what does he actually want? The model reads the whole email at once, and the lines that matter pull the most attention. The polite filler barely gets a glance. But it can only work with what's on the table. Leave out a key detail, and no amount of rounds can guess it. So here's your first move. Put what matters right in the prompt. The model can't turn to a word that isn't there. Second move. You can't ask it for more rounds. If a task needs deeper reading, you reach for a bigger model, not a longer prompt. So that's the transformer. Every word reads the whole sentence and turns to the words that matter, round after round, going deeper each time. Give it what matters and match the depth to the job. Next time, we zoom right into that one move it all hangs on, attention.